At MacTech, we know fabricators need fast, reliable solutions for finishing plasma cut and laser cut parts. In this demonstration, we're featuring the Apex EZ Sander, a 37-inch wide plasma slag grinding machine that also removes mill scale, preps parts for powder coating, and grain surfaces all in a single pass. Perfect for parts cut by CNC plasma tables, lasers, or water jets, the EZ Sander eliminates time-consuming hand grinding while delivering smooth, consistent results. Compact, affordable, and easy to use, the EZ Sander is built for shops of all sizes, helping you save time, reduce labor, and improve part quality. Backed by MacTech's 40-plus years of fabrication expertise, the EZ Sander is the cost-effective way to achieve professional finishing results on every part. To learn more or schedule a demo, contact MacTech today.